Unraveling the mystery. Nouns versus pronouns. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we're diving into an essential part of English grammar: pronouns. More specifically, we'll be looking at what sets them apart from nouns. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of these two fundamental building blocks of English. Let's start with the basics. Nouns are words that represent people, places, things, or ideas. For instance, Tom, city, apple, and love are all examples of nouns. They are the names we give to objects, feelings, or individuals in the world around us. Next up, pronouns. They're the stand-ins, the understudies, if you will. Pronouns are words that we use in place of a noun when it's clear what we're referring to, helping us avoid repetition. Words like he, she, it, they, we, us are all examples of pronouns. For example, instead of saying, Tom is smart, Tom is also kind, we can say, Tom is smart. He is also kind. Here, he is a pronoun standing in for the noun, Tom. So, what sets these two apart? Well, the primary difference between nouns and pronouns lies in their function in a sentence and how they're used. 1. Nouns are more specific. They pinpoint exactly who or what we're talking about, while pronouns are more general. 2. Pronouns often depend on context for their meaning. For example, the pronoun she can refer to any female, but who exactly she is depends on the context of the conversation or the text. 3. Pronouns help us avoid repetition in our sentences, making our language more efficient and less redundant. And there you have it, the essentials of what distinguishes nouns from pronouns. Remember, nouns are specific and give names to people, places, things, or ideas. Pronouns, on the other hand, are substitutes that help us avoid repeating those names over and over again. As always, keep practicing and incorporating these insights into your English language learning journey. Happy learning, and we'll see you in our next video.